Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is harmful to humans and can cause severe burns and respiratory issues if not handled properly. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a composition of individual words. Sulfuric refers to sulfur, and acid indicates its acidic nature. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sulfuric acid, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.